right now, so we'll transfer our potato. Hey everyone, I'm Sav and this is Lagom Eats. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make fondant potatoes, otherwise known as melting potatoes. These are cooked in a bit of chicken stock, some garlic, thyme, and butter, which makes them super flavorful and just melt in your mouth, hence the name melting potatoes. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We're going to be using a pound of russet potatoes, 2 tablespoons of oil, half a cup of chicken stock, 3 sprigs of thyme, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of butter, and salt and pepper. Let's get cooking. So we want to start peeling our potatoes. Don't want the skin on there. Now we're going to cut these up. So the way we're gonna do that is chop off both of the ends. You wanna make sure you have uniform sized potatoes here so they cook evenly in the oven. And we'll cut them in about 2-inch rounds. So like that. So now we're going to put our potatoes in a bowl of cold water and we're going to let them soak for about 20 minutes. This is going to allow the excess starch to come out, which is gonna make our potatoes nice and crispy. After 20 minutes, we drained the potatoes and dried them off a bit. So now we're going to put some salt all over them. Get all their sides. And now freshly ground black pepper. Just gonna roll them a little bit into the salt and pepper that fell off so we can get all the sides. Now, if your chicken stock is salted though, make sure that you don't add quite as much salt so they're not too salty. All right, so now we're going to turn on our stove to like medium high and let our pan heat up. Now we'll pour in our 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm using the oil from my chicken confit, so it's super flavorful. It has some chicken fat, duck fat, vegetable oil, but any kind of oil works. Vegetable oil, olive oil, whatever you want to use. We'll transfer our potatoes over to our pan. And we're going to cook them on one side for about 3 to 4 minutes until they have a nice golden brown crust. All right, let's flip them. Look at that nice, beautiful color on those. These are gonna be delicious. We'll let these cook for about 1 or 2 more minutes. Now let's pour in our chicken stock. We're gonna put in our thyme. Just throw it in there. Take your garlic. Just give it a little smash with the knife. Throw those in there as well. You're gonna take your diced butter and just top the potatoes with it. Now we have our oven preheated to 400 degrees. We're gonna put these potatoes in there for about 30 minutes until they are nice and tender. All right, our potatoes are done, so let's go ahead and plate them up. They look amazing, that gorgeous color. They're crispy on top. And this garlic right here, that is gonna be amazing. All right, and the best part is that sauce down there. So we wanna make sure and drizzle some of that sauce on our potatoes. All right, let's try them. Super soft. Oh, they're really hot. They're super soft and fluffy inside, and then you've got that garlicky butter on top. It's just incredible. These are literally the perfect side dish for pretty much any meal. You can serve them with steak. I'm gonna serve these with some chicken confit tonight and a nice bright salad. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make melting potatoes. The full recipe can be found on my food blog at logumeats.com. I've got new delicious dishes coming out every week, so hit a like and subscribe below. I'll see you guys next time. Hey-do!